Former Taipei mayor and presidential candidate Ko Wen-je is back in court just days after being released. The 64-year-old is embroiled in the corruption scandal linked to his time as Taipei mayor. Tiffany Wong is live for us at the Taipei District Court. Tiffany, why is Ko doing back in court?
Well, essentially, Ko is back here in court today because prosecutors want him in custody while they're undergoing this investigation. They say that they have reason to believe he may try to collude with others involved in the case or even try to destroy evidence. Now, on Wednesday night, the High Court issued a statement saying that based on their review of the evidence and testimony, they have reason to believe that Ko may have actively interfered in the real estate dealing at the center of this investigation. Now, the lower court let him go on Monday after 2 days straight of questioning. Many legal experts said that this indicated that they had insufficient evidence to connect Ko to this issue, but prosecutors have protested that decision. They appealed to the High Court to revoke his release and detain him for 2 months while they try to set up their case. Now, the High Court did order that release revoked, and so Ko was seen back here again at the court today at 9 a.m. Now, Ko's remained insistent that he had nothing to do with this real estate project, that it was overseen by the city's urban planning committee while he was mayor, but others that he worked closely with, including his deputy mayor and 3 others involved have been detained and held incommunicado in relation to this case.
And Tiffany, what happens next for Ko? When are we expecting a result?
Well, we may hear a ruling, a decision as soon as tonight, although the formal proceedings have just begun a few minutes ago. Now, if the court rules in the prosecution's favor, that will see Ko detained for up to 2 months while they're investigating this case. Of course, he could still be released on bail. Now, these kind of proceedings in Taiwan sometimes take a while. They could go back and forth, like we saw with another corruption investigation into the former vice premier. That he went through 3 bail hearings back and forth before they finally detained him and indicted him for the case. If these proceedings go in Ko's favor, that will see him released. But of course, he could still be investigated in connection with this case. Now, although the proceedings are still ongoing, this has already damaged Ko's reputation. He's had to step down as the chair of the Taiwan People's Party, which is the party that he founded. There are still some supporters that came out today to rally and give him their support, but still, he will have a long way to go to rebuild their trust. And just how long that journey is, depends on the court's ruling today.